I brought my other camera, Duncan.
What?
I have my other camera here.
Are we setting it up?
It's up to you. Either that, I can throw it on Ernie.
You don't have a mount. You'll have to hold it in your teeth.
It's a side mount?
Yeah. Not quite the same as this, but it's pretty close.
It glues on?
Yeah. Well, no, it's glue. It's like a double-sided tape.
Well, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. So is that your new one?
Yeah.
Have you used it yet, or
No.
is this maiden voyage?
First time. So.
Right. On this side.
Yeah? Want to give her a go?
Yeah.
Well, it looks terrible now. He's got one clean spot on his helmet.
I washed this morning. You'll be proud of me, Jeff.
I telling Ernie I haven't washed that since the last. I parked it and that was it.
I don't think I've ever seen it so dirty.
I actually had the last 2 rides I've been in rain, so I actually oiled my chain twice in 3 days.
Whew. Yeah, I had to wash the Triumph after that ride home on Thursday night.
Intelligent.
I'm no comment.
Hey, do me a favor. Clap your hands like that. Perfect. It's rolling.
Jeff?
Yeah.
I'll ride behind you, so finally you have some footage of yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, are we going to hit 9th concession then?
Maybe. I don't know. Kind of going by heart here.
Getting to the point where you can go graveling without a map, Jeff. Attaboy.
Yeah. Oh. What I'm trying to do is our Crow's Lake run that we've done a couple times, but in reverse.
Yeah.
So we need to get on to Bob's Lake Road, and I think it's Anderson that cuts over to Crow's Lake.
Okay.
Car.
Oh, car. Oh, that got me on the shoulder.
Oh, sorry.
No apologies necessary. You don't want to take the second lake, eh?
Well, we can.
What's the other road that'll take us over to the
rink?
east?
That's probably it there. I think if we go further, we're going to go past it.
We've done a U-turn on this hill before.
Yeah. Let's get to the top and we'll turn around. Because probably the same turn. Oh, here's a perfect spot. A little bit of off-road adventure here.
Well curated ride, Jeff.
Yeah. That was on purpose.
Yeah, absolutely. For our riding pleasure.
Ernie's awfully quiet. Are you still there, Ernie?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm just staying back because of this juvenile delinquent in front of me, throwing rocks at me.
You can still swear at him. That's fine.
Want to go in front of me, Ernie? Then you could be in the video too, buddy.
No.
Yeah, we're doing it.
You just need one more camera, and then we're all hooked up.
Oh my God, that's a lot of video for you to look through.
The expectations on having videos out in a timely fashion won't happen.
All right, Ernie, way you go. Pass me.
Nah.
Attaboy.
Oh yeah, there's our fish creek.
Ooh, that'd be a nice road to take one day.
We did it 2 weeks ago.
Was that did I miss it? Or was I
No, you were there. We just go in the opposite direction.
Oh, yeah. Never mind. I'd like to take it again.
In the opposite direction.
Yeah. Because even if it's the same direction, it's brand new to me, apparently.
What do they call that? Our over 50 moments?
Yeah. Woot, woot. Hello, Anderson. Is that a dog on the road?
Yeah, it is a little guy. Little pug.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, another dog up here. He's on the right there.
Yep.
Right. Hey, I remember stopping here
Yeah.
to fill up my back tire.
I remember I blew out my baffle and I was pissing around with it.
That's right. It was a joint stop.
Yeah. Yeah, you had the air leak.
Yep. Don't have that problem anymore. Thank you, inner tubes.
Inner tubes. Okay, tilt your look up. Come on, out of there. There we go. The battery life is supposed to be okay on it, but I still like I'll hook it up to the battery pack.
Yeah, there's less having to think about stuff.
Yeah. But I do, you're right, I have, for this original camera, I have 5 batteries for it.
Wow.
So. There we go. Recording.
This is a beautiful day. Nice, Jeffrey.
There's some water for you, too.
Perfect. That was a big, yep, that was a big puddle you went through, Ernie.
Oh, Ernie, I meant to tell you, I saw like 3 or 4 turkeys in your field when I was coming in.
Yeah. Well, the one guy was turkey hunting on us, and opening day, he set up and he had a turkey 20 minutes later.
Nice.
And they've never been back. The hunters, I mean. The turkeys are still there.
Oh. I thought you were saying the turkeys are evading everyone.
Is it like deer season where he's only given one tag kind of thing?
I think so, and they can only shoot a tom.
Yeah.
Upturn here. Left turn.
All right.
Now, Scott Road's coming up.
Oh, yeah, well, there you go.
Okay. What double track? I like.
Oh yeah, this is a fun little road.
Oh dear, we're disturbing a goosey goose. Time to get wet, Ernie.
Yeah. Not worried.
Washouts up here, guys. On the left. Shit. Plane. All right, let's turn around.
There is a way. There's a road up here. What is it?
It'll take us eventually to McLean. You want to take it?
Sure. Is it that Fox Road or?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna pull over at the crest of this hill here. You want to just see?
Turn around this way.
Oh,
Still going.
alrighty.
Hold on though. Bug splats.
Okay.
I got in trouble from Murray last time for not cleaning it off, so.
Yeah.
This is for all the times in the winter when you wipe the snow off for me.
That's right.
Hold on 1 sec. Oh, half battery still.
This will get us home.
Yeah. I think.
Okay.
Who knows? Have I got bug splats on mine?
No, but you've got dirt, so.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. Whoa, down 3. That was fun.
What'd you do?
I wheelied off the top of that hill.
Atta boy.